about Swift 5 interview question in Swift. Second part in top Swift 5 interview in Swift. Second part in top 5 Swift interview questions. Okay. So we're gonna calling on the first interview question. We're gonna check on the first interview. What is the dictionary in Swift? First question is the what is the dictionary in Swift? And we're gonna simple answer in this dictionary in the Swift. It enables you to store the key value pairs and access the value by providing the key. It enables you to store the key value pairs and access the value by providing the key. And the simple definition is a collection whose element and key value pair. A collection whose element and key value pair. Okay, so we're gonna create on this example. Suppose we're gonna create on this text dictionary. So let this dictionary message is equal to array of dictionary, and we're gonna call on this dictionary. Suppose we can set on this dictionary. This is a 100, which is type. We can type on this. We can calling on this value. This is a okay successfully payment. Okay, payment done. Okay, and we can next element we can calling on this dictionary, and this is a 200 and calling on this dictionary. This is a string value. This is a integer key value, and by using of string key by using in this dictionary key by integer and value in this string. So this is a 100. We can calling on this method. Suppose we can use a 100 calling on this method. Suppose we can calling on this 100 method in this calling. So in this calling on this 100 method, so by using in this calling on the 100 access, suppose we can use the 200. This is the access location, and we're gonna calling on this next dictionary in this element on this. Suppose this is a 44, which is type of, we can assign the file not found. Okay, in this dictionary we can set in this 3 dictionary, and we can calling on this dictionary. Suppose we can calling on this dictionary by using print statement. We're gonna calling on this print statement. So we can go in the dictionary message, and we can achievement on this key. Suppose this is a 100. Okay, and we can unwrap on this dictionary, and unwrap on this dictionary. Suppose we can empty string. Okay, we can run on this applications. Okay, we're gonna check on this. Okay, payment done. Okay, payment done. Okay, payment done. This is we can calling on 100 key, assign on this 100 calling on this value by okay, payment is done. Suppose we can calling on this 404, and we can set check on this element file not found. This is a file not found, and we can assign this is 4.4 key, assign on this value file not found, and this is 200 calling on this key is 200, and we can calling on this key is the access location, and this is the access location. Okay, suppose we're gonna create on this function. So we're gonna create on this functions, and we can use of by using dictionary. So print emails, and which have in this we can assign on this name. So for which have a label name, which is type of string, and in this function written on this string optional written in this function string optional, and we can calling on this function string. We're gonna create on this structure. First of all, we're gonna create on the dictionary. Let dictionary and is equal to, we're gonna calling on this dictionary is equal to, we're gonna assign we can which have on this command. So dictionary, suppose we can apply on this calling on this. Suppose this is a which have a risalat key, which is type of in this element. We can key string key by string value, and use of risalat sadiq@gmail.com, which have our email. So we can apply on the achievement of this. So this is the key value, and this is the we can use of def. So we can call it on the apple, and which have key on this apple.com, which have we can apply on apple.com. We can calling on this dictionary complete on this calling, and we can calling on this dictionary complete. Suppose we can unwrap in this. This is the optional string written, and by using unwrap on this dictionary, we can use of if let binding by using of email is equal to, we can calling on this dictionary, and calling on this dictionary, but we can use dictionary. This is the name key, which suppose we can apply achievement on this name, and we can binding on this property, So otherwise in this unit print in this name, print and return is true. Return, suppose we can use of prepare email. Okay, otherwise return is not apply on this condition. So we can call use print and this is a not sent same key and return is nil. We're gonna assignment on this return is nil. We're gonna dictionary in this function of the return is nil return. Okay, and we're gonna on this we're gonna calling on this method. Suppose we're gonna calling on this method is print email. For suppose this is a apple. Okay, so not sent, not we can calling on the apple kernel. So this is a apple, but it's not calling on this apple. We can calling on this apple.com. So we're gonna check on this issue by using on the apple.com, and we're gonna calling on this return optional string. So we're gonna check on this. Suppose we can check on this risalat, which have can set on this risalat, and we're gonna calling on this method. So we're gonna calling on this method. This is a risalat, but it's not check on the optional string risalat key by using risalat.com value and key and value by using dictionary. By using this dictionary, we're gonna but dictionary calling on this method. So we're gonna calling on this dictionary by using we're gonna calling on this dictionary and we're gonna passing on this name. Okay, and if let binding print on this name, but is not is print on this name, this is print on this email. We can set on this print on this email array of string. This is a risalat@gmail.com. So we're gonna calling on this apple, but is apple.com. We're gonna calling on this method apple.com, which have apple.com. Suppose not apply the same is another string. So we can calling on not send same key. Not send same key. Not send same key. This is a so by using dictionary is complete. Dictionary, what is dictionary? So it enables you to store the key value pairs and access the value key providing by and access the value by providing a key by providing it. So we're gonna check on this next question. We can remove this answer. So we're gonna calling on next question. This is how can you write multi-line comment in Swift? How can you write multiple? So how can you multi-line comment in Swift using asterisk symbol and use of asterisk symbol? So we're going to use asterisk symbol and we can use of but it's not apply on this condition. So this is the asterisk slash and we're going to use of slash. So asterisk and slash, which are calling on asterisk and slash, and we're going to use multi-line string. This is a multi-line command on this asterisk slash and asterisk symbol achievement. This is a multi-line command achievement. Multi-line command. Okay, so in this question answer is same as answer in this question. Okay, and we're gonna check on this next question. Suppose next one, what are the important data types in Objective C? What are the important data types in Objective C? What are the important on the so Objective C important data? This is a boolean which we're gonna assign on this boolean data type and assign on the boolean value true and false, and we're gonna next data type is NS string. It is represented by string, and we're gonna next NS integer. It is represented by integer, and we can NS integer, and we can use NS integer and CG float. We're gonna it is represent of floating point value, and we're gonna check on the next question. What are the control transfer statement in Swift? What are the control transfer statement in Swift? What are the control transfer statement in Swift? So in this control transfer statement, this is such as continue and break and follow and return. So in this, what are the control transfer statement in Swift? And we can calling on the next explain what is the optional chaining Swift. What is the optional chaining? So not applying the optional chaining Swift. What is the explain important feature in Swift? What is the explain important feature in Swift? So first feature is structure and enum and protocol oriented programming language in this Swift protocol oriented programming, and optional and tuple, which have an important topic in this Swift programming language. Optional, tuple, and not required use of semicolon in this Swift language. Not required use of semicolon, and enforced init and enforced initializers in this Swift, and safe by default and less code and less code, and which are gonna calling on this is a forced files and forced unwrapping in this forced unwrapping important feature in Swift, and closures, and in this closures most important topic in this Swift programming language, and which are closures, and is a this is a tuples, and this tuple is super. So thank you for watching. We can use the 5 interview question in Swift, a superb example and easily example in Swift programming language. So thank you for watching this video. Enjoy my channel and like my videos.